How to fix WinRAR Diagnostic Messages error in Windows 11, 10, 8 or 7. So if you're facing a problem with the WinRAR and if you're getting an error of diagnostic messages, then what you need to do is you will have your WinRAR, right? You may have a shortcut right here, or you can simply search for WinRAR. Right click on it and then go with open file location, and again right click on it, and here you need to go with properties. Under properties you need to go with the security option, and under security here you need to click on advanced, and here you will have the owner, right? So under the owner you need to go with change, go with advanced, and then click on find now, and here you need to choose the user option. Here click on users and then click on OK, and again click on OK, and here you need to go with the system option. Double click on the system, and if you have a deny option under your system, then make sure to click on allow. You need to choose the type and then click on allow, and you need to allow that system. Once you allow, click on OK, and then you need to close everything. Here click on apply and then OK, and here again you need to go with edit and then go with add, and then again go with advanced and go with find now. Scroll down again and click on users and then click on OK, and again click on OK. Once you click on OK, now here under the permissions for users you need to allow all of the permissions like full control, modify and everything, and then click on apply and click on OK, and here you've allowed all of the permissions, right? So now click on OK, and now you need to go and restart your device. Simply click on restart, and once you've restarted your problem will be fixed. So that's how you can fix WinRAR diagnosed messages error in Windows 10, 11, 8 or 7. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.